Hello traders, I welcome you to Happy Traders Zone. So in this video we are going to see about some of the swing trading and investment stocks which have the opportunity to play for the next 3 months to 12 months, guys. And in this video I have been chosen 8 stock which are fundamentally good, and in those stocks I am going to say what are the stocks we can buy and what are the stocks we are avoid. So even though it's fundamentally good, we need certain stocks to be avoided. So that's what mainly we are going to discuss in this video. So as a added advantage, we are also going to discuss about the stocks which are we can mint some money in next few days, months and years. Okay, and before getting into this video, please do follow us on Telegram and YouTube channel, and its name is Happy Traders Zone. So come on, now let us get into this video. And our first stock chosen is MCX. I'm just having the MCX over here. If you see MCX, so I'm just moving on to the daily time frame. Yes, perfect. So MCX, this is what the lifetime high, and this is what the previous high. So MCX, what has happened is this is what the previous high, and here it gave a very fantastic breakout, but it seems to be a fake out. So post that there is a very good higher low formation has been done, and here we having a chavos. So here we don't have a proper the trend, but here we have a very good selling opportunity around this level, and the downside has been established. And if you ask me personally what are the good, if you are here to, okay, if you are good at this level, if you ask me personally what are the good levels, so those blue lines are the very good levels where we can make a long entry. And if you ask me personally, MCX is a very good stock for the investment, but we having a condition like at what price we are going to buy the very good fundamentally good stock. So we have a two option. If this stock comes to this level, and I expect this stock to come to this level before this month end, so that one can make a long entry around this level. If any one weekly candle close has been done below this level, that what our stop loss for the investment, guys. Okay, and if you are a swing trader, so this is what our levels we are going to stick on to these levels. Okay, so this is what our level, and we are going to stick on those levels. So whenever there is a breakout, and if you see here we have a resistance. If you have a breakout at this level, don't make a long entry. If you have a breakout above this level, that's where we are going to enter into this stock for the swing traders. And for the investors, directly buy at those levels. So from 970 to 870, 970 to 870. So this is spread wherever you buy at this spread. This one it's around 10%. This one is very good. And still if you ask me, I don't want to go with the 10%, but it's a very good trade to risk 10% for the investment. Why? Because you are going to risk 12, and you are going to take around target 1 44 45%, target 2 80%, target 3 110%. So 10% stop, around 10 to 12% stop loss, and 112 to 125 120% of target. Okay, so my opinion, MCX don't buy current market price. It's not a very good price to buy. Our next stock is on the Asian Paint. The same scenario, guys, the same scenario. Here we have a lifetime high, and fake out has been created, market fall. So 1 2, so still we need a one more fall like this. I am anticipating. If this happens, one can make a long entry around this price. So this price is a very good price to make a long entry at Asian Paint, and it has probability and it has potential to come till this level. Okay, double 250 would be around those level can be a very good trade. And for the swing traders in this stock, we don't find a swing opportunity currently. Why? Because there is a very good fall in this stock. Okay, and I'm also making some other blue line. Those are also we can consider. Yeah, so those 3 points where you can make a averaging point, and this, and at this price you can make a first allotment of your fund at this price, and those are next level averaging points. And if you ask me personally regarding the stop loss, if any one weekly candle close has been done below those levels, you can exit the trade and aim to re-enter on the next level. Yeah, now let us move on to the next stock. Yeah, so Hindustan Unilever. So Hindustan Unilever. So FMCG sector is a defensive portfolio sector, and Hindustan Unilever. So if we check Hindustan Unilever, it already provided a very good fall in this stock of around 30% fall. And so as we already have 30% fall, if you think like I will suggest to buy, no, so don't buy. So buy at this price. So fundamentally good stock, but technically not at a good price. So technically it has potential to come this level. So it's not a thing, if it is fundamentally good stock, it shouldn't come down. So any stock there will be a profit booking at certain level and at for certain duration. And this is what the price where we can buy the Hindustan Unilever. So technically this price was a value area, it would be a value investing, so which is around 1866 level. So it's, if you see here, we have 2019.50. Okay, so for Hindustan Unilever, I hope it's clear for you. And if you ask me personally, the next averaging point would be this one. And also, this zone was the Fibonacci level. Also, during the Corona crisis, the price went till this level. Okay, beyond that, there is no fall happen. If any 1 week candle close done below this level, so don't have a second opinion, just exit the trade and re-enter on these levels. So now next stock is on, ah what about the swing? Okay, so swing currently it's not going to happen. Why? Because it's in a free fall structure. Okay, if there is a swing trade opportunity, we will make a separate video for this. Okay, so next one is on the debug nitrate. So debug nitrate, if you see here, so this kind of fall no one would have seen in the debug nitrate, and this is the first time, but who knows, this can be a initial time also. And here we have a very good support Fibonacci levels, and also the more than one kind of support is falling at these levels. And it's a very good area, one can make a long entry at around this levels, 1700 and 16902 to 1710. And for sure this is the area I am going to invest my fund in, this debug nitrate for sure. Okay, and I am not a SEBI registered analyst, so before making any trade analyst, and before making any trade entries, so consult your financial advisor and make your own analysis. And for me, I am the very good analyst, I am a very good financial analyst for myself, so I'm going to buy at around this price. And if stock comes very fast, I am not going to buy at this price, and I will buy at this price. If stock is coming in a slow and steady manner, I am going to enter at this level and not going to exit till the stock breaks this black line. Okay, and if you ask me, currently it is available at 37 percentage of from the lifetime high, and it has potential to come till 47%, which means still 10 more percent we can expect a fall. ITC. So ITC, if you see here, ITC, the downtrend has been done. It's done and dusted, completed, and currently it is following this parallel channel pattern. Okay, and if you ask me personally, ITC is a very good stock, but other than the tobacco product selling. So far I didn't make a investment in ITC for just for only one and reason, which is their tobacco manufacturers. Okay, and if you ask me here, here we having a levels. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so here we have a ITC which is trading at around this level. If there is a breakout, currently ITC at this price, right? If you ask me, just consider this like this: fall, left side shoulder, retest, head has been done. Now we need a right shoulder, and after that we need a breakout so that this target can be achieved. So after achieving this target, the price will at this price, which means breakout of this black line, and that's what we are going to enter and exit at around this level. So 260 to 265 level as our first target, and 285 around, that's what our second target. And why? Because here we are having a one endurance. Okay, let me move on to the black one, and our overfilling is on resistance color. Okay, and here we have one gap up, and here we have one hidden pattern, hidden trend line. Okay, so that's why we are going to wait and make a long entry only at those area, and our target should be around this price. Perfect. So now let us move on to the next stock, Ambuja Cement. So one of the favorite and my favorite stock is Ambuja Cement. Why? Because at time of I started trading, I used to take a long entry more on ITC and Ambuja. Why? Because so in case if my stop loss hit, I won't exit this those trades. Why? Because they will be providing around 15 to 20 rupees of yearly dividend, so which is a very good investment, very good dividend for me at the time of my investment price. Why? Because I have been invested at around 150, around 150 price. So that time the 20 rupees per year would be a very good return on investment. So I didn't take the SL, and again it coming back to near the ITC level, and this is ITC, and this one is a very good stock. Why? Because they're having a very high good free cash flow. They don't have any debt. Fundamentally very good stock. So that's what I would like. I have a specific touch on those two stocks. And if you ask me personally, you can make a long entry currently, but due to the Nifty condition, and the Nifty has a probability to go down till so 700 to 1000 points. So I don't recommend to make this stunt at this price. Okay, but this can be a very good price for this stock. Yeah, this is where one can invest their first fund around some 50% of fund. If you're allocating some 50,000 for Ambuja, so you invest 20 to 30,000 at this price, and another portion at this price. Okay, and if you ask me personally, this zone is a very strong zone, and I expect this zone can be a reversal, or it won't get broken very easily for sure. Okay, next one is on Indian Energy Exchange. And if you ask me about this stock, I am not going to suggest this stock for now. Why? Why? Because this stock is a very good stock, and it has been rallied from bottom to this level, and it didn't took the retracement, and now it is in retracement. So post retracement completion, we can make a long entry. But where do we have a support and resistance? Only at this level around 130 to 140 we have. So till that we don't have any support and resistance. And also if you see here, high of the candle, bottom of the candle, and this candle low has been already taken, very mildly taken. But if we are moving on to the weekly time frame, we can see it. Yeah, it has been taken already. Now it's in a retracement. So further retracement, how it will react? It will react in this manner. Okay, it will go, I anticipate it will come down. And here we have one fake out also. See, very good trap. So left shoulder, head and a right shoulder done. It has been started from this level, so it will come and stop at this level, which is around 135. The price, the thing which I already told you. So it has potential to come till this level, guys, and from this it will be very good for long entry. Yeah, now let us move on to the next stock, which is a very very good stock, and one of the stock which I would like to catch, but I couldn't catch it so far. Huh. And if you ask me, this stock is provide is at a cheaper price, around more than around 50%. But I suggest don't buy this stock. Why? Because if you see here, there is a very good drop, and the candle very 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 very, if you see here, we having a very good bullish candle, and after that very good bearish candle, and this gap down has higher power. So this stock will face a very good resistance at these zones. So what I recommend, those who are trading also are having you holding a stock, so exit at this level. It will take a resistance for sure at this level, or not for sure. Higher the chances. If other resistance work 80%, this will work 95%. But still we have 5 more percent. Why? Because in market nothing is like 100%. Okay, and I want some price actions to be formed in this stock. We don't find any price action, so we couldn't understand the value technically. But fundamentally, if we are making the fundamental analysis, we can able to get the price, the value of this stock. But technically we don't find it, but technically we find this is the overpriced for this stock. Yeah, so that's all for this video. So based on your the subscriptions and followings, I will be making more and more content videos. And if you also personally want to analyze any stock, or you want me to discuss about some of the topics in share market, you can post your comment and I shall make a videos on that. And if I don't know, so let us learn as together. I will learn and I will make a video for you guys. Yeah, thank you, and I have a happy investing year. Yeah, bye.